We're winning so big. Yan ang pinakabagong hirit ni US President Donald Trump sa giyera sa Iran at hindi na raw kailangang may mamatay pa kung aaminin lang ang Tehran na talo na sila. Narito ang agenda report ni Laika Cuevas.
We're winning so big, nobody's ever seen anything like we're doing in the Middle East with Iran.
Kumbinsido si US President Donald Trump na napupulbos na ng pinagsanib puwersa ng Israel at Amerika ang Iran at nagkukumahog daw ang Tehran para makipag-usap.
They want to make a deal so badly, but they're afraid to say it because they figure they'll be killed by their own people. They're also afraid they'll be killed by us. There's never been a head of a country that wanted that job less than being the head of Iran.
Patuloy na niyayanig ng giyera ang ekonomiya ng buong mundo dahil sa epekto nito sa presyo ng langis. Tila a small price to pay para kay Trump.
We had to cut out the cancer. The cancer was Iran with a nuclear weapon. And we've cut it out. Now we're going to finish it off.
Ayon sa mga ulat, pinag-aaralan na raw ng Iran ang ipinaresentang 15-point plan ng Estados Unidos para matigil na ang krisis sa Middle East. Para sa White House, mas maigi kung tatanggapin na lang ng Tehran na talo na sila sa giyera.
There does not need to be any more death and destruction. But if Iran fails to accept the reality of the current moment, if they fail to understand that they have been defeated militarily and will continue to be, President Trump will ensure they are hit harder than they have ever been hit before. President Trump does not bluff, and he is prepared to unleash hell.
Sa gitna ng sigalot, tumanggap si Trump ng first ever America First Award mula sa kanyang Republican Party. Sa Iran naman, pilit nagpapakanormal ang mga residente ng Tehran. Para sa agenda, Laika Cuevas, Billionaire News Channel.
Mag-follow sa aming mga social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa pinakahuli at eksklusibong mga balita.